Hi everyone, my name's Chloe. I work for Groundwork South in Colne Valley Regional Park, and I'm here today to talk to you about one of our non-native invasive species that is invading our river systems, our riparian systems, and actually also our terrestrial systems. And that is giant hogweed. So you can see it behind me just here, seeing the leaves just beginning there. You can also see the stem and the flowers just up there. And as you can tell from the name, giant hogweed is giant. It grows up to towering heights of about 5 meters tall, and it can also grow its leaves up to 3 meters in diameter, which is absolutely massive for a plant, hence the name giant hogweed. So first off, where can you find giant hogweed? Giant hogweed is found everywhere pretty much. You find it commonly along riverbanks, you find it in disturbed areas, you can also find it along roads like I am here today. If you see giant hogweed when you're out and walking around, please stay away from it at all costs. Giant hogweed is a human health hazard. This is because it has phytotoxic sap, which means if its sap gets on you, it will cause blistering and burning and skin irritation, and afterwards you'll have a scar, and that area of your skin will also be very sensitive to sunlight. So if you think you see giant hogweed, or you know it's giant hogweed, either way, please just stay away from it at all costs and report any of your sightings to us. If you are unfortunate enough to get some on your skin, please wash it off with soapy water and cover the area so it is not exposed to sunlight, and go and talk to your local GP for further assistance. Next, I want to chat to you guys about how to identify the species. So you know it's a giant, and you know it can go up to giant heights, but let's take a closer look. Okay, so first we'll take a look at its leaves. As you can see here, the leaves are very sharp and spiky. They're dark green in colour and they're quite large. The leaves appear from April onwards, and they can span up to 3 meters in width, which is giant for a plant. You can identify the leaves by looking at its form. So here you can see there is the upper section of the leaf, and there's 2 side sections of the leaf as well. Each part of this leaf is also deeply serrated and deeply divided. The next bit is the stem, which are hollow green stems and can grow up to 100 millimeters in diameter. They can grow up to 5 meters in height, towering above most humans, as you can see here. Another iconic feature of the stem is that it has these purple, red and dark spots all along it, and these sharp little bristles. The next identification feature are the flowers. The flowers appear from June to September each year, and they form in this umbrella head formation, as you can see. These can span up to 80 centimeters in diameter, and they host these tiny, beautiful little white flowers on the top of them. This flower head can sometimes be confused with other similar species, so if you're not sure, please check out our other video which explains this in more detail. The flowers will eventually turn into seeds, and giant hogweed seeds are very iconic as they have 4 dark stripes on one side of the seed and 2 dark stripes on the other. Giant hogweed is a non-native invasive species that is listed under Schedule 9 of the Wildlife and Countryside Act 1981, deeming it an offence to plant the species, to spread the species, or to cause it to grow in the environment. And this is why we need your help to identify where all these species are across Colne Valley Regional Park. So if you're interested and you'd like to help us in our fight against these invaders to our river systems and our riparian habitats, please check out our website, colnevalleyregionalpark.org.uk, for more information about how you can volunteer and help protect our rivers. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take care.